Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a thumbnail on Canva. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Canva website right here with canva.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the home page right here where we need to go ahead and log into our account. So here in the upper right corner we have the option to go ahead and log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the main page right here where we can see all the sections we can access, we can see all of our projects right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with creating a thumbnail. The first thing we can do guys is go right here into the upper right corner. So click on the create a design button. After clicking create a design, this can now give us an option to choose what we want to create. We can either go ahead and create a poster maybe that we want to go ahead and create a thumbnail in. We can go ahead and create a logo that we want to use for our thumbnails and so on. If you scroll down you can find everything you can create, like a brochure, flyer and so on. So basically you can choose one of the options and start from scratch, start adding your own images, your own text and so on, and start making it right here. Or if you want to go ahead and see how other people made theirs and use theirs as inspirations, you can go ahead and search for thumbnail right here. So let's say that you want a business thumbnail or something, vlog, YouTube thumbnails, whatever you might want to use, you can go ahead and search for that. And now as you can see guys, here we have the projects of all the other people that have created their thumbnails, and you can go ahead and open up those thumbnails and you can change them with your own pictures, you can add your own words, you can use them for whatever you need to do, and here you can go ahead and start downloading them and using them for yourself. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.